Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Here we have MRI of the brain. This is T1 weighted axial image. This is post contrast, and here we have T2, and this one is FLAIR sequence. We can see abnormal increased signals in left frontotemporal-parietal lobe, both on T2 and FLAIR sequence. There is mass effect on ipsilateral left lateral ventricle. Mass effect is also appreciated on third ventricle, and there is contralateral midline shift. We can also see subtle dilatation of right lateral ventricle because of mass effect. Here we see this is T1 weighted sequence. All these increased signal intensity areas shows low signals on T1 weighted sequence. On post contrast, we see there is irregular patchy post contrast enhancement with central irregular non-enhancing necrotic component. So this is aggressive mass lesion having significant necrotic component and prominent surrounding vasogenic edema, favoring the possibility of grade 3 astrocytoma. So this needs biopsy for further confirmation. Let's see coronal and sagittal post-contrast images. Here we can see this is coronal post-contrast and this is sagittal post-contrast sequence. We can see low signal intensity area suggesting vasogenic edema, and mass lesion is noted in temporoparietal lobe over and along left sylvian fissure, which can be confirmed over here. There is non-enhancing necrotic component within it. Here we see that thoracomedullary junction is normal and cerebellar tonsil is normal as well, and there is no evidence of herniation of these structures through foramen of the magnum. Midline shift can be seen properly on coronal image. Mass effect is also noted on third and left lateral ventricle. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.